Yours a written order from the chart for a bed shampoo. Explain the procedures to the client. Assembles all equipment on a tray. Organizes materials to facilitate an uninterrupted workflow. Provides privacy. Perform hand hygiene and apply gloves if needed. Inspect the hair and scalp before initiating the procedure to determine the presence of any conditions that require the use of special shampoos or treatments. Lines pillow and mattress with rubber sheet or place waterproof pad under the patient's shoulders, neck, and head. Position patient supine with head and shoulders at top edge of bed. Place plastic through or rubber sheet, calipad under patient's head, and wash bin at the end of through. Brush and comb patient's hair. Removes tangles and improves the effectiveness of the shampoo. Obtains warm water. Ensures patient comfort using appropriately heated water. Offer patient the option of holding face towel or washcloth over eyes. Slowly pour water from water pitcher over hair until it is completely wet. If hair contains matted blood, put on gloves. Apply peroxide to dissolve clots and rinse hair with saline. Apply small amount of shampoo. Work up lather with both hands, start at hairline and work toward back of neck. Rinse hair with water. Make sure the water drains into basin. Repeat rinsing until hair is free of soap. Prevents residue buildup, which can cause scalp irritation. Apply conditioner or cream, rinse if requested, and rinse hair thoroughly. Restores moisture and adds softness to the hair. Remove washcloth from patient's eyes. Wrap patient's head in bath towel. Dry off any moisture along face, neck, or shoulders. Absorbs excess water, speeding up the drying process. Dry patient's hair and scalp. Comb hair to remove tangles and dry with dryer if desired. Apply oil preparation or conditioning product to hair if desired by patient. Nourishes the hair, adding shine and softness. Assist patient to comfortable position and complete styling of hair. Tidy up the place, return articles to its proper place, clean and dry. Records the procedure on patient's chart. Documents care provided to ensure continuity and legal compliance.